Yeah, I'm really loving the way this came out. Like, shout out to all the people that doubted me and told me not to cut this wig, because guess what, I cut it and I slayed and I finished. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go off camera and apply my lashes and my lip as I always do, and I'm gonna come back and wrap this video up, y'all. So let me say, I've been done with my makeup for like a good 30 minutes because I did my hair, I cut my hair, I put on the lashes, I put on my lip, and my face looks flawless. So I'm definitely here for the dewy foundation over the matte. I ain't buying no more matte foundations, but I'll probably stick to my matte concealer or whatever, and then my powder and all that, because I'm looking, oh excuse me y'all, flawless. But I went and put on some real clothes, y'all. I have on this white crop top, tank top, or whatever, some Forever 21, and then I have some cargo pants on. Probably gonna take a picture because I haven't took a picture in so long, so I need to get a picture today. And I added some highlight because, you know, I wouldn't be me if I wasn't glowing a bit, you know what I'm saying? So this is the final look. But I hope you guys enjoyed this chit chat. Get ready with me. I didn't do that much chatting. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. To some of y'all, maybe a good thing. Maybe some of y'all just came here just to hear me talk because you guys love me so much, and I love you guys too. If you're new and you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I don't know what side it is. I think it's on this side. Maybe it's on this side. Just scroll down. You're going to see this little red box. You can't miss it. About yay big. I'm lying. It's a lot small on my computer screen. But make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Comment below your thoughts and where I should go with my channel as far as the summer being. Constructive criticism is allowed. Don't be rude though, because my clapback game is strong. Okay, Andy. Okay, you know, I'm trying. Right, I'm trying, y'all. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.